Guys, my instasmile is here and I could not be more excited. So real quick, I just want to talk to you, in case I haven't already mentioned, why I wanted pop-on or snap-on veneers. It is because, as you can see, I have an overbite and it actually has impacted my front lower teeth. It causes a lot of trauma, that's the word my dentists use, to these teeth right here. They did recommend I get Invisalign at some point in the future, but for the time being, I am insecure about that. So I looked up what options I had, and I found instasmile pop-on veneers. So I am working with them to share this product with you guys. This is their classic set. I got this in the second whitest shade, and I have not opened this yet. We're gonna try them on together! Okay, so they come in this cute little case, it looks like. It's very nice. Look at them. That's them. Okay, this is the top, this is the bottom. You can kind of just tell looking at it. I'm gonna pop these in. Okay, so they do a custom mold of your individual teeth. So these have been customized for my mouth. Let's pop them on. Oh yeah. And now we're gonna do the bottom. My teeth look so straight and so white. But here is my new and improved smile. I think these are great if you are debating veneers, but you don't want to actually commit to actually having your teeth shaped down. And I think they do a really good job. I am so impressed with how well they fit my actual teeth. I was worried about that, but they fit perfectly, honestly, and they're very comfortable.